Swifts. So
we're going inside the top of the house.
Yeah. So we're sitting at a red light on this mountain road, looking at the Swifts. Sitting at a red light on a mountain road, watching the birds fly. Yeah, Swifts.
Ready?
I was born ready, baby. Mountains of Serbia. Wow. God. What a road. What a road. Just these fantasy roads, man. Smooth, no potholes, no traffic, beautiful scenery, sweeping corners. Oh man, what else you need? What else do you need? Oh, it's nice and cool. This is living, man, this is living. Monastery. Studentica. Monastery Studentica. Wow. Well, that's good. Right under the tree. Monastery Studentica. Was asked not to film inside. There's a funeral going on. Gotta be respectful here. Look at this. This is some old stuff. Roll on. Ooh, still on this mountain road, man. Jesus, dude, look at this thing. Look at this road. I mean, if you're a motorcycle rider, this is it. Beautiful. Oh man. Rapids down there in the river. Unbelievable. Being from Southern California, we don't have any water, so anytime I see water, it's like, oh my God, it's fucking water, I mean, it's kind of a big deal for us. desert folk. Oh my God. Dig out my swimming trunks. Looks so refreshing down there. I don't want to clog up the stream with all my talcum powder and all. Oh, look at this road, man. Look at this road. Left, right, gliding along, man. Just miles and miles and miles of this. Pretty much so. Been going on for the last hour plus. Just this. Serbia. Yeah. Not what you thought it would be, is it? Me either. This is pretty damn fantastic. Oh, look at the single lane bridge. Look at that. Look at that. Man. Some serious shit, man. Nope, not what I thought Serbia would be. I didn't know what it would be. But this, man, this is an insane road. Beautiful. Let's keep riding. Uh-oh. Watch out for the tractor. Mom and kid waving, but you don't want to run into the tractor. I mean, what did you think this was going to... Leave that in the comment section. What did you think Serbia was going to be? Did you think it was going to be people on the side of the road waving? Did you think it was going to be roads like this? I don't know what I thought it would be. This is pretty amazing. I don't know how many miles it's been, but this road just is going and going. Just looks the same. Sweeping turn after sweeping turn. It's just endless. It's the dream highway. It's unbelievable. River down below, man, I want to take my shoes off, drop trowel and go in. It'd be nice. Absolutely incredible road. Man. I'll never get sick of this. Hands might get tired. Never get sick of this. Looks like there could be rain ahead. Wouldn't even be offended by that. Look at this, man. Jesus. You know what this reminds me of is the Eastern Sierras in California, Nevada. Very much so like this. Rivers running wild, forest, sweeping roads. God, look at this. Serbia, man, you do not disappoint. Do not disappoint. I'm telling you what. God. Tell me that doesn't look like the Sierra Nevada. All of it. I bet you there's some good trout down there too. Oh yeah, man. God. Anyway, miles and miles and miles and miles. Guy on the phone. What the fuck is that guy got cell service up here? That guy got cell service up here? He's talking on the phone. Wow. I just don't know. I guess he does. Swifts. So we're
They're going inside the top of the house.
yeah. So we're sitting at a red light on this mountain road, looking at the Swifts. Sitting at a red light on a mountain road, watching the birds fly. Yeah, Swifts. I was born ready, baby. If you want. Breaking the law, breaking the law. Fuck it. What's the worst that could happen? Maybe it's a stop for you to look at the birds, you know? Sometimes you gotta stop and smell the flowers, look at the birds. Pray there's not a fucking semi coming the other way. And there's not. Oh man, what the? They're both red. Welcome, Western Serbia. I need a picture here. Oh, where's my tailpipe? What the fuck is going on up here? Oh Jesus. They're paving. Oh man. This could be the end of the road for a while. They're paving both sides. Oh man. Well, that was fun while it lasted. Both sides of the road. Around the side of the paving machine. Spitting rocks. Alright, Dream Road keeps going. Dream Road is still going here in Serbia. Momentary break when we had to get through the road construction, but all that traffic's been held back. Ain't nobody in front of us. Ain't nobody behind us. The road just keeps going. 4:30, so 8:30 to 4:30. Been a long day, but we still got goodbye. Biosphere Reserve, goodbye. Yeah, up the Dream Road. I want to run out of camera before I run out of Dream Road. The temperature is so nice and cool right now. A cloud cover. Oh, it's refreshing. Stopped at the construction just long enough to get a chug of water, and we were back off again. Yeah, they let us sneak down the side of the construction around the trucks. That was awful nice of them. They They came, we didn't ask them, they came and asked if we wanted to go through, which was pretty damn cool. But oh man, it feels so good. On the dream road in Serbia. Oh, look at, perfectly smooth. Oh man. Did you think it would be this? Did you? Look at this road, man. Hours and hours and hours of this. Serbia's tail of the dragon, except for there's nobody on it. It's just us. Just us. Good thing we filled up before we came up this son of a bitch. I wasn't thinking it, but we've climbed the mountain, so now we're coming down the other side. And it is stunning on this side too. Hasn't been 50 feet of straightaway. Oh, there's some straight. Nope, it's over. Drive right onto that fool's roof. Man. What a view. Light rain now, not too bad. Nice and cool, but I have a feeling we got some heavy rain coming. Gonna find out soon enough. Intense. I didn't think we were ever going to get past that race truck. That dude was hauling ass. He'll be coming by any second. Oh yeah. That was a quick break. Damn it. That bastard. Look at him. Now we're at the end of the line. He must be fucking hauling styrofoam. Huh? He must be hauling styrofoam. Some bitch was hauling ass. Alright, end of the line. Nice and cool though. Rain cools it down. So it's still raining pretty good. Heading over the top of this mountain. We're heading towards the Bosnian border. I couldn't tell you how far away it is, but still raining pretty good. But at least it ain't hot. Shoot it up. Oh, if I can get my fucking wet hand in this dry glove. Raining in Serbia now. Goddamn seat's all soaked now. Into the rain. Windscreen's fogging up a little. Definitely glad I got that new back tire. A little sloppy out here. Not too bad. Going through patches of clouds. I don't know what altitude we're at, but kind of going through the clouds, little wisps of clouds here and there. Very interesting. Still beautiful in this forest, even though it's raining. It's wet out here. It's part of the adventure. What time is it? 5:30 now. Got on the bike at 8:30. So is that 9 hours? Fuck my math. Terrible math. Terrible. What do we got here? Monument. With a dirt road. I hope not. Good. Paved road to the monument. Not in the road, but near the road. Oh, and we got sheep. letting up on the rain. Church out here in the middle of nowhere. It's pretty rad. Pretty rad. Searching for this monument. Don't know what it is actually, but they paved this road for a reason, damn it. We've come pretty far down it. Whoa! Whoa! A little hairy there in the rocks. Watch that shit. Yep, we don't know where the fuck we're going. Yeah, we got cattle. Hey dudes. Oh, didn't mean to scare you, dude. As long as you run away from me. Oh, that's fine. We got to the end of the tarmac. There. That's how far we got. Look at this field of flowers, man. This is beautiful. Yeah, this is incredible, man.
Enjoying this ride.
Oh yeah, this is beautiful.
I'll tell you, there's nobody out here.
Nobody.
And we can fucking do whatever we want.
I don't know what we could do, but you know, as long as we don't roll up on somebody's poppy farm or something. And that was the end of my helmet camera battery. After a long day, ultimately, we never found the monument. We did find a herd of cows that we had to negotiate on that dirt road as we proceeded forward. After about a half hour, 45 minutes of dirt, it turned back into pavement, and it also turned back into rain. We drove for another 2.5 hours in the rain to get to our destination and our hotel for the evening. The weather got progressively worse. We had a couple close calls, but ultimately everything worked out. On to the next one.